question. Well, if I would be given a chance to meet a U.S. president, and what I should say to him when I meet him, mga kaibigan,
Tagalog.
Go!
Pilipino naman tayo eh.
Thank you.
kung ako'y bibigyan ng pagkakataon na ma-meet ang U.S. President,
Okay ka na naman, pe.
mga kaibigan, ang aking sasabihin ko lang sa kanya na walang ibang kundi, thank you.
Good luck.
Because
Thank you.
he is the one who helped our country. Because
Okay ka na kay Negra, dai.
Hoy, title ka na!
Ayun na naman siya.
Sir,
That's all, thank you.
Mag-thank you na agad-agad.
Thank you ka na agad-agad!
That's all, thank you.
Punchline! Go punchline! Tanga! Paulo! Kung ako yung being a gay!
mga kaibigan,
Being a gay.
like I said,
Being a gay, Keme, parang...
as a being a homosexual, I thank for him because he, like I said, he is the one who helped our country to prevent our poverty.
Ay, boro.
O, tama na yan. Go.
That's all, thank you.
Ang tawag na ka-record yan daw.